A gunman killed 3 people when he opened fire in the food court of a shopping mall outside the U.S. city of Indianapolis on Sunday before a bystander fatally shot the assailant, Greenwood Police Chief Jim Ison said. 2 other people were injured in the incident, which took place in the early evening at Greenwood Park Mall, the Indianapolis Star reported. The shooter was alone and had a rifle and several magazines of ammunition, according to the newspaper. The shootings occurred amid widespread concerns over the drumbeat of U.S. shootings in schools, workplaces and public areas that regularly make headlines. A spate of gun massacres since May at a New York grocery store, a Texas elementary school and an Illinois Independence Day parade have renewed fierce U.S. debate over gun regulations.